What is going on, Angelo family? In today's video, we have the Tesla Model 3 Long Range, aka the Tesla Model 3 Highland, which is the 2025 version, and we are going to take the car on a car wash. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys this. The car is pretty filthy right now. It's been raining a ton, and for me, I want to show you guys what is it like to wash your Tesla. So we're going to jump into the video. I'm going to show you the car on its glory, all the good, the bad, the ugly, and we're going to show you what it's like bringing it to a car wash. So for me, keep in mind, like, I don't do anything crazy. I legit just put my car in a car wash, get the car wash, get in, get out, good. The easiest thing we can do is just put in a car wash and not have to worry about it. So in today's video, you're gonna see what it's like putting your car in the car wash. And you may be wondering, oh man, is it gonna damage the paint? No, it's not. I actually talked to the Tesla dealership where I picked up the car. I was like, where do you guys wash your car? And they said they bring it to the local car wash. They don't really care. There's no issues, because in the previous versions of the Model 3, like the 2021 to 2024, they all had this black trim, and this black trim would get oxidized and mess up the paint or the trim whenever you threw it in the car wash. Now that it's no longer in the car wash, now that I'm able to just take it to the car wash and not have to worry about it, we should be good to go. So I guess Tesla did fix that issue where paint was the trim was oxidizing. They weren't able to get that fixed, but now this new version of the car, it doesn't happen anymore. So enjoy, and I'll show you guys the car. Here is its before. Take a look. All right, guys, here's the Tesla Model 3 in all of its dirty glory. Essentially, we got a lot of like tree sap all over the car, especially here in the front. A lot of tree sap, dirt from the rain and everything going on. A lot of kind of bugs over here from the front, just driving on the freeway. And then we have, the car is gray actually, so it doesn't get as quite dirty, which is nice, but the car does get dirty. So essentially we're gonna put this through the car wash everything over here. Hopefully it cleans it out well. We're also gonna take the car through a vacuum. We're gonna vacuum everything over here. We got a lot of dirt from the car driving. White seats have held up pretty well, which I'm actually pretty excited about. And the car smells still pretty new. But we're gonna put everything in the car wash, get these wheels cleaned as well. I need to buy wheel cleaner actually, that's a good reminder. But we're gonna vacuum everywhere and we should be good to go. So I'm pretty excited you guys to show the before and after. As you can see, ton of dirt, fingerprints over here from just touching the car itself. And hopefully we can get that all removed, but it is a very dirty car, guys. This is what you get when you park your car outside. After a week, it gets dirty, but I can't complain. I got unlimited car washes, so let's jump in and show you the before and after. This is the before, so let's go inside the car wash. I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm in the car wash right now. Tesla does have this thing called car wash mode. What I like to do is I just fold the mirrors. And once you fold the mirrors, it folds the mirrors for you. I don't want to open it right now, but it's cleaning the mirrors for us, which is nice. And then once it's done, I'll unfold the mirrors. So as you can see, the car is getting clean. It's kind of nice. Hopefully the car doesn't get messed up, but essentially it cleans it really well, which I enjoy. So we're getting a good clean for the car. Yeah, I just take it. I even take the Cybertruck here, to be quite frank with you. It's just so much easier to take your car to the car wash, not have to wash it manually. I used to like do everything manually because like, oh my god, my Tesla's a collector's item. I realized it's not a collector's item, so I basically washed the car and now it's all clean, which I really enjoy. I'm good to go, and then I'm gonna show you guys that before and after. So let's jump on the outside once this is done. All right guys, so I just grab a rag here and I'll wipe the car down, get all the bugs, all the nasty stuff off. But it essentially cleans the car pretty well. Car wash, you gotta be really clean here and through, because this is where all the bugs and everything sticks on the car. For the most part, the car is pretty cool when it comes to cleaning it, but everything, I call it the splatter zone, occurs in that front of the car. So cleaning the car, honestly, it cleans it really well. It dries it super well. Good to go. Not really having to worry too much about the car, but this tree sap is tricky to come off, kind of annoying, but what can you do? You just, look like a cat walked on this too, by the way. Crazy. Well, anyways, cars for the most part clean, really quick, really easy, fresh, brand new, clean car. Yeah, so you just bring it to the car wash, and that's basically how you clean your Model 3. Quick, easy, not really having to worry too much, and you're good to go. So here's the car all wiped down. I'll show you guys it all clean in a bit. When it comes to vacuuming though, I just grab this vacuum here. I know it's very loud. I go here, I'll vacuum the car. So as you can see here, it just gets all the nasty stuff here. And you're good. Pretty easy. Voila. Clean car, guys. I'll do one last wipe here, get everything out. A lot of tree sap on the top of the car. And you're good. All right, guys, here is the Model 3 in its glory after all clean. Looks really good. Everything's all clean, good to go. The basically whole car itself went through the car wash. Has all the bugs removed on the front, and it just looks really clean and aesthetic now, which I'm really enjoying. The car itself has been through a car wash, as well as the wheels look a little bit dirty. We do need to buy wheel cleaner, though. I'll be honest with you guys, so I gotta get wheel cleaner next. But overall, the body of the car looks great. Nothing crazy, nothing dirty about it, and just overall great looking car. So as you can see, you could take your car Model 3 to the car wash, just let it be clean pretty easily, and you won't have to really worry much about it. As you can see here, all the dirt, grime goes away pretty easily, and your Model 3 is all clean and good to go. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please use my code down below if you want a referral for your Tesla, and then you get like 500 to 1,000 bucks off your Tesla, or free full self-driving for a few months. My code's down below, and I have all the links to my my products that I use for my car, like the floor mats, as well as the lights for the car, everything for the car. So take a look at that down below, and I do get affiliate commission from that, so just keep that in mind. I appreciate you guys. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.